Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today, we have got an algebraic equation question which includes some fractions, which always makes us feel a little uncomfortable. Hopefully after this video, you won't ever have a problem with algebraic equations with fractions again. I'm going to change my color pen just so you can see it clearly. Let's get straight into it. So remember guys, the first thing we need to do is we need to try and get rid of these guys. Okay, we want to try and get rid of these. And how do we do that? Well, let's see if we can find a lowest common denominator for those. So a lowest common denominator in each of those cases is going to be 6. Okay, so I would say 6 because 3 times 2 is going to be 6 and 2 times 3 is going to be 6. So let's go with an LCD of 6. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, that means we're going to times every single term by 6. So we're going to say times 6, times 6, times 6. Why does that make sense? Well, what we do to each term, okay, if we do the same thing to every term on either side of the equation, it means that we're not changing anything about the equation. That's really important. Okay, so if we multiply through the entire equation, we're not changing anything. And that's the most important rule of equations. The left-hand side always needs to equal the right-hand side. Okay, so let's cancel out. So 2 goes into itself once and goes into 6 3 times. So that means I need to multiply that by 3. Then I've got 3 goes into itself once and there twice. And that means I need to times that by 2. And 2 goes into itself once and into 6 3 times. And I need to times that by 3. So let's write everything out now. So we've got 3, 2x minus 3. So 3 times 2x minus 3 plus 2 times x plus 1 equals 3 times 3x minus 1. Nice and easy. So now we've got rid of the fractions. And now it looks like a normal linear equation. That's easy to solve. So let's get rid of these brackets. We need to get rid of the brackets first. So we're going to use our distributive law for that. So moving on to the next step, let's get rid of our brackets using our distributive law. So 3 times 2x is going to give us 6x. 3 times minus 3 gives us minus 9. Then we've got 2 times x gives us plus 2x. 2 times 1 gives us plus 2 equals 3 times 3x gives us 9x. 3 times minus 1 gives us minus 3. Right, now, as we always do, we need to collect all of our variables on one side and we need to collect all of our numbers on the other side. I'm going to keep my x's to the left-hand side, so I'm going to say 6x plus 2x. And I'm going to bring my 9 across to the left-hand side, which will make it a negative 9x. And that equals, on the right-hand side, I've got the minus 3. I need to take this minus 9 across, which will become a plus 9. And I need to take this positive 2 across, which would then become a negative 2. Right, let's simplify this left-hand side now. 6x plus 2x is 8x minus 9x would give us minus x. And on the right-hand side, I've got minus 3, minus 2 gives me minus 5, so 9 minus 5 gives me 4. So your answer here is divide both sides by the negative 1, so x is equal to negative 4. Nice and easy. Do you guys also notice how I've structured my work so that my equal signs are typically underneath each other? It's just nice from a marking perspective to show that you are structuring your work. It also helps you think through what you're doing the whole way along. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this really important video a possibility. Hope it helped you. If you need some more help, visit our website. We've got tons of other tutorial videos. Hopefully that can help. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.